What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So the Samsung Galaxy A50 in 2026 is one of those phones that proves how long Samsung mid-range device can actually survive. Released in late 2019, the A50 is surprisingly still usable for basic daily tasks. However, its age is becoming increasingly evident in certain aspects. In this video, we will evaluate how this 6-year-old mid-tier phone performs in 2026. So, let's get started. One thing that you'll still love about the Galaxy A51 is its design. Even in 2026, it still looks fresh and modern. The bezel is okay for today's standard with a centered punch hole camera and a glossy plastic back. I really appreciate as well how slim and light this device is, thanks to its plastic build. It features a 6.5-inch screen with a slightly narrow aspect ratio, and I love how easy to use it with just one hand. However, the glossy plastic back hasn't aged as well as I hoped for. It doesn't have an IP rating, but it does have a headphone jack, which is a bit of rarity in these phones these days. The display is still one of the best features on this phone. Samsung gave it a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and full HD Plus resolution. Although it only has a 60Hz screen with up to 600 nits of peak brightness. I'm really amazed how solid and good its screen on this mid-tier phone even after 6 years. Watching YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, or scrolling through social media still looks fantastic today. Performance is where the age starts to show on this phone. It is powered by the Exynos 9611 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It was already considered average back in 2020, and in 2026, it definitely feels a little slow than average comparing to today's mid-tier phones. For casual users though, the phone is still acceptable. If your usage is mostly social media apps, watching media apps, or just browsing in the internet, the A50 can still manage reasonably well. It can still play games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, or Asphalt 9, though you may find frame drops every now and then, but it is still manageable. It can't run high graphics games like Genshin Impact though. The Galaxy A50 officially ended its major Android updates at Android 13, and it will not receive any newer One UI version or any Android versions. So currently it's stuck on Android 13. Here are some of its benchmark scores. Does have a triple camera system, which is a 48 megapixel wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The camera is still usable in daylight, and the 48 megapixel main camera can take decent photos outdoors with good lighting. And Samsung image processing still produces attractive colors. But night photography is weak and video stabilization looks outdated compared to the newer mid-range phones. Social media uploads are still fine, but don't expect flagship level quality. Battery life is decent but no longer impressive. The 4000 mAh battery still survives a full day for light users with 4 to 5 hours screen on time. But many older units now suffer from battery degradation after years of use. If the battery has never been replaced, expect shorter screen on time and occasionally overheating during charging or gaming. Charging is also slow by 2026 standards, which is only capped at 15 watts. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A51 deserves credit for being one of the Samsung most successful mid-range phone of its generation. It still handles basic tasks reasonably well, and the AMOLED display remains one of its strongest features even today. But in 2026, it's no longer a phone I'd recommend buying, unless it's extremely cheap or just use as a backup device. If you already own one, it may still survive for a few years for light use. But if you're planning to upgrade, modern mid-range phones now offers a massive jump in speed, battery life, cameras, and software support that makes the difference immediately noticeable. Strong alternatives in 2026, depending on your budget, is Of course, its successor, the Galaxy A56 and the A57. Also the Galaxy A36, the Xiaomi Poco X7, the Redmi Note series like the 15 and 15 Pro. So that is my review of the Samsung Galaxy A51 in 2026. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.